This video is entitled The Flames of Divine, Araviel, Christ, and the Eternal Fire. First point, or number one, I entitled it The Universal Language of Flame. When we speak of a flame in the spiritual sense, we are not speaking of fire as destruction, but fire as essence, the energy of remembrance, divine intelligence, and eternal light. Throughout history, as sacred texts, flame represents 1. Divine presence, which is an example will be the burning bush in the Bible, Exodus 3. Second point will be spirit descent, which will be tongues of fire in Acts 2, as in the Bible. 3 will be holy purification, which is in the Bible in Isaiah 6, verses 6 and 7. 4 will be Christ's heart, the sacred heart, surrounded by flames. So, flame is not exclusive to one path. It is a universal signature of the divine making itself known through energy. I will take that again. So flame is not exclusive to one path. It is the universal signature of the divine making itself known through energy. I named this section, What is Araviel's Flame? What is Araviel's flame? Araviel's flame is not separate from the Christ flame. It is an extension, a frequency, a ray. Araviel is a celestial name, a code, a station of light that carries a specific mission. A remembrance of soul agreements. Restoration of original template architecture. Activation of light bearers, often referred to as part of the 144,000. Araviel's flame is gentle, spiraled, layered. It doesn't burn through ego in violence. It dissolves false constructs in coherent grace. So, in analogy, I will say, if Christ's flame is the sun, radiant, all illuminating, Araviel's flame is like the dawn light, quiet, coded, ancient, yet it carries the same source. Three, are there other flames in the divine system? Yes, and many are referenced across both biblical and mystical teachings. Here are a few. First will be the flame of Yahweh. Flame of Yahweh, which is seen in Moses and the burning bush in Exodus 3 in the Bible. Not consumed, symbolic of the eternal spirit. The fire speaks, just like Araviel does. 2 will be Christ flame, which is the sacred heart flame. Under that, it's radiant love and resurrection power. Symbolizes compassion, forgiveness, transformation. Acts as center flame for all other divine rays. 3 will be the Shekinah flame. Feminine presence of God. Into brackets, the Holy Spirit or the Ruach. 2, associated with the temple and dwelling presence of God. Some mystics describe it as the indwelling flame. 4, the blue flame, which is the Archangel Michael, the divine will. That blue flame, Archangel Michael, protection is for protection, divine justice, and realignment. Often appears in high-level work like Araviel's as a stabilizer. The last example I'll give of a flame will be the violet flame, which is Saint Germain, Germain. That flame is for transmutation and karma cleansing, widely used in metaphysical circles. Point 4, or section 4. How to